maintenance, ship 0003 at G10.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. A couple write-ups going in the book. As reported from the flight attendants, seat 21 Kilo has an issue with the tray table, and seat the interphone at the forward-facing flight attendant jump seat at 2 Romeo is inoperative.
Okay, copy that. And then can you tell me the plane number and gate once more?
Aircraft number 0003 at Gulf 10.
Copy that. Gulf 10 will be right there.
Thank you.
San Francisco.
Calling San Francisco. Center flight heard.
776.
Maintenance aircraft 0003 at G10.
Go ahead.
Flight attendants say they're short 2 infant life vests.
Okay, 2 individual infant life vests. Got it.
Okay, and one more thing. Upon the walk-around, first officer informs me that the brake wear indicator is just about flush on the left front tire of the right main truck.
Okay, so right, main, left. So, number 3, I guess. Okay, as long as it's still able to catch your card on it, we're good.
Okay, say that part again?
As long as you can catch something on it, you're good. You said it's not quite flush?
It looks like it's got about 1 millimeter.
Okay, that's good enough for us. And you can have 1 missing as well if you had 1 missing.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll bring 2 infants up, 2 infant life vests.
Thank you.
Operations, good afternoon. Coast team at Bravo 24 with Jeopardy driver for go-off.
I already be underway.
Copy, thank you.
1931, that's affirmative. Company 1948 went to your gate instead the gate Golf 12. So the new gate will be Golf 12 due to UA 1948 went to the wrong gate.
Okay, so we're going to take Golf 12. Roger that, United 1931.
Affirmative, thank you. We will let the RAM know, but RAM is aware that 1948 went to the wrong gate.
Roger.
Jeopardy driver for Bravo 25, please.
Okay, I will get it right now. Catering is coming over. Cater the wrong flight. They're going to have to stand by on the flight height.
Follow up.
2111. Operations United 2111.
2111?
Yeah, we're waiting on first class headphones. Are those coming?
2111, I just was told by the flight attendant that we have all the headphones on board, so we should be good to close.
Okay, I'm going to have to verify that because my purser just told me that's not the case. Stand by, please. Okay, those headphones were just dropped off 5 seconds ago. Thank you for that. Have a great day.
You too, have a safe flight.
Completed, standing by for brake release. Brake release to your aircraft.
1931. Roger, 1931 and the follow-up.
647 Delta 3, D3 is your gate.
D3 pressing.
Yeah, fueling, we'll follow up with fuelers. Stand by.
Operations, I believe catering is done with Bravo 25. Can we get a Jeopardy driver, please?
On the way.
Thank you.
Point San Francisco.
Checks complete and standing by for brake release. Brakes released, aircraft is all yours. Number 284 Quebec Sierra, San Francisco, go ahead.
634, we're in San Fran, we'll be there. 12 seconds.
District 34, roger that. We'll see Bravo 7, headed for
Straight welcome. Calling San Francisco.
Hey, operations, it's 591.
5901, go ahead.
Yes, sir. I don't know if it's you or aircraft maintenance, but we need the oxygen deploy tool, the backup oxygen deploy tool. They are not on board the aircraft.
Let me call maintenance for the oxygen deploy tool.
Operation United 1509.
1509, go ahead.
Yeah, we're just wondering if the lav and water has been serviced, if it shows complete on your end.
We'll check it on it for it. We'll check on it.
Yeah, right now I think it's showing full on our end.
Copy that. We'll follow up with the vendor for the sign-off, 1509.
United 1509, most of your water and lab surface both have been signed off, so it should be completed.
It's 1509. Yeah, we'll check again. The flight sensor saying the indicator is showing full, so I'll double check.
7279, MID was sent to the printer again.
Good afternoon. This is Alpha 7 Charlie Hotel Foxtrot.
7, go for signature.
This is Charlie Hotel Foxtrot. If you can send a transport, please, we are ready to go.
Copy that, sir. We'll send someone out to give you right in.
Can you please say that again?
We'll send someone out to give you that right in.
Thanks, sir.
Right back, Trio, hotel complete, set your brakes, please.
Brakes set.
Hey, copy.
591 from Ops.
Go ahead.
591, I can see you guys closed the L1 door already. Do you still need that oxygen?
Stand by 1. Ops Alaska 591. Yeah, we already got the electronics came out.
Copy that, sir. Thank you.
Operations, good evening, 758. Hey, good evening, and we're here plugged into the dish air from the jet bridge, but even on the cool setting is flowing out impossibly hot air. Do you have them shut it off and disconnected?
Frontier Flight, are you trying to contact San Francisco Radio? So Frontier 3549, this is San Francisco Radio. Are you trying to contact us?
Yeah, we got the frequency.
Frontier 3549er, just confirm you were not trying to contact San Francisco. Yes.
Oh, that's correct.
Roger, we'll disregard them. Thank you.
San Francisco Ops Horizon 2008.
2008.
Hello, flight attendants were wondering if we could get catering to bring a couple bags of ice out here. We have no ice on board.
2008. We'll ask catering team wise, but no guarantees. It's not scheduled for this leg.
Thank you.
Sorry, calling San Francisco.
San Francisco Ops 2008.
2008, go ahead.
Hey, just following up to see if you guys had any luck getting that ice.
2008, we did call catering, but if they're not there before departure time, but they're back up right now.
Roger that.
Ops 1246 is on the ground going to Delta 6.
1246, good evening. Delta 6 is your gate to terminate.
Thank you. Terminate Delta 6.